Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for the perfect pillow, then I highly recommend you check out this one from HOMELABs.
These pillows are absolutely amazing. They are adjustable based on your preference. Inside is shredded memory foam, and they come with an extra bag of memory foam to add or take away based on what you want. The way the pillows came were perfect for my husband and I. We didn't need to add any foam to them, but having that option is really nice. These are the queen size, each measuring 20 by 28. The pillows are designed with a cooling technology to regulate temperature, ensuring a comfortable sleep environment, especially for those prone to overheating like my husband. The removable cover adds convenience for cleaning, making maintenance hassle-free. Whether you sleep on your side, stomach, or back, these pillows are so comfortable. These offer the support I need, whether I am propped up watching TV or sleeping at night. These are by far the nicest pillows I've ever owned, and I'm not going back. So if you want a change in your pillow with the ability to cater to your specific sleep preference, then don't sleep on these HOMELAB pillows.
And that is my point of view.